Hey, Yelmeyer here. So you have to watch this video in its entirety. It is worth it, I promise you. First, video cred goes out to Foul Mittens Outdoors. This is his witness account of what seems to be some sort of unidentified creatures, potentially a family or a clan of Bigfoots that have been terrorizing his house, his farm. They have been surrounding him, and he's managed to capture one on camera. What I want to make note is the eye shine. That is a dead giveaway that this is an animal. Humans do not have eye shine. It is scientifically proven. We don't have that film behind our eyes that creates eye shine. When we see a reflection in our cameras or pictures, it's a reflection of retina, not true eye shine. This animal has it. Towards the end of the video, I'm gonna play his actual video, the full-length video, audio included. There is a gunshot. There is no evidence that he shot the creature, but he did let off a shot. Take a look. Tell me what you think. Like, post, comment, repost. Take a look.
They're all over the damn place again tonight. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking towards it. Might actually get to capture something here. Son of a bitch. All right, whatever you are, you need to leave. Stay out of this place. This is our home. This is our home. You need to leave. You leave now. I don't think it's going to come around for a little bit. I think that'll keep it away for a while. Oh, God. I hope that does it. I really do.